How to complete the standard email setup in NexusLead. First, go to Settings, come to the Email tab, and now we will do the standard Gmail setup. First, enter the Gmail you will use to send emails. I will enter mine. And then, the instructions for the app password are given. In another tab, search for account.google.com. Go to the first website. Now go to the Security tab here. Provide the password if asked. It's asking for my passkey, so I will provide mine. Scroll down and turn on your two-step verification. Without turning this on, you cannot generate an app password, so turn it on. After turning it on, go back. Now search directly in the search bar. This is the fastest way. Search for app passwords from here, otherwise, you might face a lot of trouble finding it. And here it is. Now create any name here. I will put NexusLead. As soon as you press create, you will get your app password. You have to copy this. And go there and paste it. Now save. We will go to email campaigns. Select the audience. Library. We won't send emails to everyone here, just to test we will send it to only one person. Let's choose a template, a content template, this one. And a theme template. Let's send it. And it went. Now let's go to mail and check if it arrived. Let's go and check if it went or not. We will go to the sent folder. By the way, NexusLead sends an email every 2 minutes, so let's wait for 2 minutes. Until then, I will keep refreshing. And I will skip the time so your time isn't wasted. And this mail has gone. And it is working perfectly. And you should also set up your email.